In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur the background in Canva. This is a simple but powerful way to make your subject stand out, and it can instantly give your designs a more professional look, whether you're creating a social media post, a thumbnail, or a presentation slide. First, start by opening your design in Canva and making sure the image you want to edit is already on the canvas. Click on the image once to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a border or handles appear around it. This is important because the editing options will only show up when the image is actively selected. With the image selected, look for the Edit Photo option in the toolbar that appears, usually at the top of the screen or just above the canvas. Click on Edit Photo. This will open a panel with a variety of tools and adjustments specifically for that image. Inside this panel, find and click on Magic Grab. This feature helps Canva understand the main subject of your photo, such as a person or an object, and separates it from the background. Give it a moment to process. Once it's done, Canva will treat the subject and the background almost like separate layers, which makes background edits more precise and natural. After Magic Grab has finished, stay in the same editing area and look for the Effects section. This is where Canva groups creative tools that change the overall look of your image. Click on Effects to open it. You should now see different options for stylizing your photo. Within the effects area, find the option labeled Blur and click on it. When you apply the blur effect, Canva will soften the background while keeping your main subject sharp, thanks to the work that Magic Grab already did. If Canva gives you a slider or intensity control for the blur, move it gradually until you're happy with how soft the background looks. A subtle blur often looks more natural, while a stronger blur can create a more dramatic portrait-style effect. Take a moment to preview your design and make sure the subject is clear and in focus, and that the background blur looks smooth and intentional. Once you're satisfied, you can continue editing your design as usual or go ahead and download it. And that's it. By clicking on the image, using Edit Photo, applying Magic Grab, going into Effects, and choosing Blur, you can quickly create a clean, professional-looking blurred background in Canva.